So I am at the Milwaukee airport coming home from Blizzard Brawl, which was an amazing show. And once again, it was great to see all my old friends and tons of fans. And there were a lot of smiles on everybody's faces, which is really nice. A line around the building to take pictures and get autographs. And it was really awesome. So I want to thank everybody who came out to say hello. There's nobody at the airport here. It's going to be a long day of travel. And don't forget to go to therealchina.com to check out what's happening with the doc. And social media is at China Joan Lauer, so I'd love to see all your pictures. And thanks for all the positive comments and support. And see you in the next video. Tschüss.